Hi there, welcome. This is a story about how Tuscarora Intermediate Unit 11 started its STEM camp 3 years ago. TIU 11 STEM camp was started because our executive director said to get more kids to the IU. Since we're in a rural area in the middle of the cornfields, we didn't get many kids. So we planned the STEM camp with not having any fancy tools, software, things. The only thing we had in it is a classroom set of little bits and some recyclable materials like bottles, cardboard, paper cups, and craft materials. We started with teaching electronics with paper circuits, with paper, LED, coin cell batteries, and some copper tape. When we were planning, we used foil, believe it or not, to try it out, and it worked. Another addition to the STEM camp was making bottle rockets from 2-liter bottles of soda. We launched them and the kids had to design the rockets and the fins. We had 24 kids in our first STEM camp, 40 in our second, and this past year we had close to 75 kids. This year we ran a STEM camp with Makey Makey, and every learner took home a Makey Makey.